Alright, good morning. So it is day 4 of the trip. We are entering a hotel, like a restaurant area, like serving area, where they serve food. So we're gonna eat here, and around like 10 o'clock, the taxi comes back, the driver, and then we're going to be driving around. So just tour of the food here: boiled eggs, tofu, spicy meat, you already know what that is, ham, I have no clue what that is, I'll tell you, dried seaweed, just some kimchi and some other condiments, soup, rice, dessert table, cereal, noodles, and then breads. And then this is our table. And this is what I got for breakfast. It's orange chicken. Alright, so we just finished breakfast. Now we're just kind of going to walk around, just go sightseeing a little bit. In a walking distance from the hotel. We still have like an hour and 30 minutes left till the taxi driver comes up and picks us up. So, you know, maybe we're gonna find a coffee shop, have some coffee, but we'll see what we can find. When you cross the street, when you're young in Korea, you raise your hand. So when you're in preschool or kindergarten, and sometimes even middle school, early middle school, when you're in Korea, you raise your hand when you're crossing the street because the idea behind it is when the cars are driving there, you're too short, they can't see you. So if you raise your hand at least even a little bit, they're still going to be able to see you. That's just kind of the tradition that we have when kids are crossing the street. And you know, you might be saying, why aren't they accompanied by adults? For the most part, it's safe in Korea. There's no gun laws. Like, you know, everyone doesn't have a gun. Like, you can't own your own gun. So no one really, you know, is a threat. No one really is out there kidnapping people. You know, everyone can just walk out and about, and it's perfectly normal, perfectly safe. But as for little ones, they go to school on their own for the most part. So that's the reason why, you know, they travel alone. Alright, so we're out of the hotel. Now we're gonna go to one of the tourist attractions. Alright, so we're at a place called Wedorge. It's like a 30 to 40 minute walking course. So we are headed down. It's a one-way, you can't like turn back, so the taxi driver is going to be waiting for us at the other side. It's a pretty cool, like, as far as I can see right now, I just entered, so it looks pretty cool. Bunch of people over there and there taking like a commercial for a set for like a product. It looks like a grinded up like juice, so they had that beautiful scenery like I just showed you on the background with that. So that was pretty cool to just look at. It's a little bit inconvenient for everybody else because they told us not to film it, so I didn't really film it. So it is what it is. That's the bridge we were at yesterday. And then right there is where they're having the little commercial, filming the commercial, whatever the product was. This thing right here with a lot of stones stacked on it. I think it's like a tradition where people stack stones. So I'm gonna put a pebble on right there. And what this thing says here is basically how beautiful it is. Just a view. I seriously hope I don't accidentally drop my phone, because if I do, that will extremely, extremely suck. Going back to the taxi. So it's a lot of nature. That's what Jeju is really about. A lot of nature, sightseeing, honeymoon, coming on dates with your girlfriend or boyfriend. So this is our next destination.